So this is the before, and this is the after. Before and after. Hi. Welcome to my PC. Today I am going to tell you about two websites by which you can increase the quality of your blurry and low resolution images. And also at the end, I will tell you about a free bonus app. So let's get right into the video. So this is my image. Go to your browser and search for Advanced AI Workspace. Or you can simply click the link below in my description. And there is a trick. If you sign in, this website will give you 3 free credits. Yeah, only 3, but you can get more by changing your email address. Just upload your image. And from here, you can adjust your image specifications manually if you like, but I am good with it. I am uploading it again, as at first, I lost my results because of connection error. So this is our results. With a watermark. Yeah, we get a watermark. But don't worry, we can remove it in just 1 minute. Again, go to your browser and search for remove watermark by a PowerSift. Or just click the link in the description. From here, upload your image. Select the watermarked area. Erase it and download it. Or if you have Photoshop, then just select that area and press backspace by holding the Shift key. Or just go to the edit menu and select Content Aware Fill, and that's it. So this is the before, and this is the after. Just focus on the before and after detail. Hey, where is our bonus? Okay. So your bonus app is Remini. This is the best free app that I ever explore. And this will give you results like this. But wait, you can get results like this, which is more natural, free, and in just 1 minute. Wanted to know how? So just give me your 1 minute. Come to your Photoshop. And from edit menu, go to the preferences and select technology previews. There you will see preserve details 2.0. Just enable it and hit the like button. Okay. Now there comes the magic trick. Go to image size from the image menu. Select preserve details 2.0. And now by enabling the constrain aspect ratio, increase your image size to 5x and resolution to 300 dpi and adjust noise according to your taste. I know you are amazed by this, but this is not the end. For more details, go to the filters. And from sharpen, select smart sharpen. Try to play with these 3 sliders, at which you will find the best results. And that's it. Within 1 minute, we turn this pixelated image into this. And one more tool is in the camera raw filter. At the top, you will find texture and clarity. These tools will put a cherry on the cake. And that's all of my experience in increasing the quality of images. I hope you like it. Don't forget to like and please subscribe. Meet you in the next video.